Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Umar Durrani, and today what I'm going to do is show you guys how to open your Amazon selling account. It's very easy to make it, but obviously for the purpose of this video I'm just going to show you guys step by step how to do it. I'm just going to keep it very simple so it's easy to understand for everybody. Okay, so at the bottom, when you scroll on, you go to amazon.co.uk, then scroll right down at the bottom, and over here make money with us, where you can see sell on Amazon. So if you have a business account, you can do sell on Amazon business, or you can just do sell on Amazon. So let's start with sell on Amazon. Go on here. So this page will come up where it says become an Amazon seller. So to sign up, if you're in UK, it's £25 plus VAT and plus selling fees, and it's exactly the same process wherever you are in the world, whether you are in America, in Canada, or in any part of the world, Japan. It's exactly the same process. All you have to do is go onto amazon.co.uk, amazon.com, and make your Amazon seller account. So there are two types of accounts. One is individual and one is business account. But if you ask me, I would definitely highly recommend that you open a business account. On the personal account, you can only sell like 40 units a month, which is like nothing. It's £1 per units they charge for selling it. But if you are a business, obviously you have to open a business account. So if you go down here, you can just read through and just read the other people's testimonials and stuff like that. So let's crack on without further ado. So let's press the sign up button here and see how it goes. So here on the Amazon Central, it will ask you for a password and your email. If you already have a Prime account, you can link that, but I would recommend that you don't do that. What I'm going to recommend is you always create a new account. So you go to here, put your full name here, and after that what you need to do is put your email address. So I would suggest that you use a new Gmail account. Just quickly make a new Gmail for yourself, and then you can create your account here. Okay, so let's press next, and here it's going to send you to verify your email address, one-time passcode. So you go to your email, you'll see this over here, verify your Amazon account. Just access this email, and I will just copy this one-time passcode from here and paste it onto here, and then create an Amazon account. There you go. And this is the very important part, where you have to make sure that you enter the exactly correct details that you want for your business. So first of all, it's going to ask you about the business and contact address, then your mobile phone or your telephone number, chargeable credit card, and identity details. For the chargeable credit card, please make sure that you always use a credit card. Do not use a debit card, because if you use a debit card, what Amazon tend to do is they deactivate your account and they do not even give you any reason, and to get help from the seller support, it's very difficult. So I would highly recommend you can use your personal credit card, and then later on go to the settings and change it to your business credit card if you don't have it at the moment. And your business and contact information is also very important, because that is the business and contact address is the one that you have registered with the HMRC. Okay, with the company's house, I mean, sorry. So from here, first of all, let's select our country. In my case, it's going to be United Kingdom. Yeah, and then select the business type. So state-owned business, publicly listed business, privately owned business, charity, sole proprietor, or none, I'm an individual. Okay, so if you're opening a personal account, it's going to be as like a none, I'm an individual. Else you just go to a privately owned business. So once you select this, it's going to ask you about your business name as it appears on your registration document. So you add that, and then you confirm, and then you can click here to continue. But I'm not going to do that because I have already got my account. So for this purpose, I think I can do this. There you go, and then you agree and you continue. While it's uploading, it's just basically taking all the information in, and then it's gonna let us to go to the step 2, which is obviously mobile, and yes, your company registration number. So here what we need to do is we have to bring our company's registration number, which obviously we have in our company's document. So, and then the bottom it asks about the business addresses, so you just need to put your address, the one that you have registered your business with, and then your phone number here for your verifications, because it's going to keep on sending you the one-time passcodes and stuff like that, and your primary contact, and then next. And your next step obviously is going to be your seller information, then your billings, and then it's going to ask your store name. Store name can be anything. It's not necessary to have your business name as your store name. That is, so you don't have to worry too much about that. And then the verification. The verification, once you have uploaded everything, your documents and stuff like that, your ID documents, like maybe your passport or your driving license, and then it's going to ask you for the verification. And the verification normally takes about from 24 to 48 hours. Also, it depends on in the region which you are. Sometimes it takes a bit longer, sometimes a bit shorter, but that's about it. And I'm not going to register it at the moment because obviously I don't want to register a new company, like a new business account for now. And I think that's all, to be honest. And it's a very simple process. You just need to go and go along and follow the instructions as they come through. Once you have done that, your account will be ready, and once your account is ready, then you can start selling on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.